stormy day, not much light, just some clouds, my kind of day. Thinking back of what's ahead, not more rain, but fewer storms, my first run in the rain. All I want is a run in the rain. All I want is rain. All I want is to use a new face. All I want is rain. Energy is gone by now, a few drops, not to drain it, just a dream in my head. Moving out to a sunny day, it's just there. Well, I'll wait till the next cloudy day. All I want is sparks and drops. All I want is rain. All I want is a run in the rain. All I want is rain. Listen to the breeze falling in the horizon. Listen to the wind whispering once again. Oh, wait and ask for answers. Anyway, it's fun to make any comparison. Anyway, it's fun to pursue any search. And we'll await for answers. Places where rain has fallen again. Places where nature's growing apart. Places where no one's lying. Places where runnings come on. Who is the one who makes rain alive? Who is to thank for rain as we know? Who is the one to thank for it all? Where is the rain that transforms me again, again? Now some cloudy day, in our way, sparks and drops